My name is Lieutenant Colonel Lee Roger Wolfgram, and I am a storyteller.
Welcome to the bunker. On March 28, 2025, an earthquake measuring 7.7 with its epicenter in Myanmar, right next to Thailand. The ripple effect went hundreds of miles to Bangkok, Thailand. In 2017, I opened up my office as an international firm for consulting and immigration work in Bangkok, Thailand, right off of Lumpini Park, which is the central park in Thailand and just a few blocks from the American Embassy. Early in the morning, on March 28th, I got a call from my office letting me know everything was okay. Now, the interesting thing about Thailand and Bangkok especially is the skyline, and the people love these rooftop pools and rooftop bars, and these buildings are made to withstand an earthquake. But watch what happens. Look at that building sway. Look at the corner there. That is the King Tower, and that is the Transcontinental Hotel where the pool is spilling over on the rooftop pool. So if you think it's scary to be on the top of that building, here's the real story behind this crane operator. The entire city is swayed. Now, one thing that I found out because of my connections in Thailand is this story of the crane operator. He knew when it started to sway that he may not survive, and began to text his wife all of the passcodes for the bank accounts and important information. And that's really why I wanted to bring you this video, just the humanity and terror that that crane operator, knowing he was about to die, and the sheer terror. Can you imagine? Look at that crane sway. He's in there texting now, his wife. This building was being worked on at the time of the earthquake. And the real story here is, look, this guy survived. The rebar created the cage around him and actually saved his life.